In today's video, I will show you how you can stake your KDX tokens in order to earn more money. The name of the game is long-term holding, staking, putting your tokens to work. That way when the bull run returns, we will be sitting on decent positions that will be worth a lot more money, hopefully a ton of money. Now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly how to stake and how to earn daily passive income. Let's go. But before, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Let's go. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is go over to swap EckoDao Finance, and you will have many different options. You can swap tokens, you can provide liquidity, that way you can earn even more crypto. As you can see, they have a ton of different options that you can choose from. You can also stake, participate in the DAO. There are no proposals right now, but you'll be able to use your staked power in order to cast your vote. They also have analytics showing you even more information on different pools. As you can see, over 63% of all KDX is officially staked, worth over $3 million, and it is earning people daily passive income. Also, you can press on KDX, you will see the current price, the current market cap, which is only 4.7 million, extremely low, the circulating supply, the liquidity mining, the DAO treasury, so far the amount of tokens that have been burned, and pretty much everything else as well. But we are going to simply stake our tokens. We're playing the long-term game, and in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to earn even more. As you can see, we have 9,221 tokens that we bought in our $10,000 DCA challenge. And I will be staking the full amount. As I make this video, it is worth just over $200. One thing that I do want to mention, if you decide to stake your tokens, make sure that you will be staking them for more than 60 days. That way you do not pay any penalty fees whatsoever. You do not want to stake your tokens, accumulate, let's say 100 tokens, and you want to withdraw early, and instead of getting your full 100 tokens as a reward, you get like 40 or 50 or 60 or something like that. Personally, I do not mind. I will be staking way more than 60 days, and I plan on accumulating even more. But if you do not care about the early withdrawal penalty, after 7 days, you will be able to pull out your accumulated rewards. So I have selected the max amount of tokens that I have that I will be staking. So I'm simply going to press stake. It will ask you to confirm it in your wallet. I will press confirm. This will tell you a little bit more about the staking process and how you'll be earning daily passive income. So stakers will earn 0.05% of all swaps taking place on the KDX. This will give stakers a simple way to earn passive income while at the same time participating in our governance program. Also, supplying KDX to their staking program will activate a 3% flat penalty fee on any unstaked amount for 72 hours. Once the 72 hours has passed, you can unstake your tokens normally without paying this penalty. All right, so we're simply going to press confirm, and the transaction is pending. All right, so our transaction was successful, which is definitely good news. Now our KDX is staked. As you can see, 9,221.09. It is pending right now, but it will be confirmed and it will be in this area right here. I will make another update video in a couple of days showing you guys how much KDX I have collected, the waiting time, and all of that stuff once his updates. So that is how simple and easy it is to stake your KDX. I will be making update videos showing you guys the progress, how much I'm earning, the daily income, all of that stuff. So stay tuned for those videos. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. See you in the next video. Peace out.